Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Ultimate is ready, and you have vision of the landing area. Immediately ping or mark the target. This focuses allies and avoids wasted dives. Once done, align Pantheon's direction toward the intended arrival point. Face your camera so the cast arrow points through the target zone. Make sure to reserve any dash or stun follow-up spells. The Y, starting from a safe nearby angle, increases impact and reduces risk of interruption or mispositioning. You now commit to the ultimate. Press the ability while aiming slightly ahead of a moving enemy rather than directly on top of them. This compensates for travel time and yields a clean arrival. Once cast, move camera and prepare follow-up. Select Q or W immediately to chain damage. If allies can crowd control on arrival, call it now. The Y, timely follow-ups convert the global threat into a kill or objective. Delays let enemies flash or reposition away. You land and commit to burst. Use your stun and highest damage ability first to lock the target while allies finish. Once the target is down, transition to the nearest objective or peel back if enemy reinforcements show. Don't overstay. If your ult is interrupted or you miss the timing, immediately reset. Re-establish vision, reposition to a safer angle, and wait for cooldown rather than forcing a bad fight. The Y, recovery and vision control prevent repeated failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.